The box of this tricycle includes the main body, charger, backrest, front face, handle, front wheel, wheel cover and side mirrors. Take the front body, remove the connecting pin. Now connect the wire with main body wire as shown in the video. Now take the front handle and connect it to the front face to main body with the help of key as shown in the video. Remove the seat and connect the battery wire with the main body and close the seat as shown in the video. Attach the back support to the seat and side mirrors on the front handle as shown in the video. Now this tricycle is ready for your little rainbow.